Welcome back, focused learners. I am absolutely pumped for today's high-energy micro-explainer. We're looking at some seriously brilliant insights straight from the channel Logic Wolf. We are talking about a total game changer here, a tool that lets you convert text to video completely for free. Oh, and the best part? No annoying watermarks cluttering up your screen. Okay, let's dive into this. So I've got to ask, did you know you can generate text to video for free with no watermark? Seriously, literally no watermark. Now, you might be thinking, no way, usually you need a crazy expensive subscription for that kind of quality, or they just slap a massive distracting logo right across the middle of your masterpiece. But as Logic Wolf points out, there's a hidden gem out there that completely flips the script. It's an absolute game changer for creators wanting that clean, professional look without dropping a single dime. So how exactly do we pull this off? Well, here's the exact roadmap, and it is insanely simple. Ready? Step 1. Just search for Adobe Firefly on Google and click that very first website that pops up. Step 2, right there on the homepage, smash that Go to Firefly button. And step 3, scroll down just a little bit and click directly on Text to Video. Boom! That's it. Just 3 quick clicks and you're right inside your creative workspace. It's incredibly fast, super intuitive, and totally skips all that complicated setup nonsense. The sheer power you have at your fingertips now is just mind-blowing. The second you hit that button, you can generate literally any video you can imagine, just by typing in a simple prompt. And this brilliantly illustrates how far the tech has actually come, right? I mean, instead of that premium gatekeeping we usually see with high-end AI, bam, the floodgates are wide open. You don't need fancy, expensive software anymore, and you definitely don't need a degree in animation. You are just typing your thoughts right into a box. And the AI acts like your own personal Hollywood director, bringing those exact words to life in seconds. But you know, the absolutely crucial takeaway here, the real mic drop moment Logic Wolf shared with us, is that this whole shebang is completely free and there's no watermark, none, zero. Talk about a massive value proposition, right? There are no hidden costs creeping up on you, no barriers to entry, just a totally clean output that is 100% yours to use however you want. It completely democratizes video creation for all of us. Which leaves me with one massive question for you as we wrap up this explainer. Now that the secret is officially out and you've got this insane tool sitting right at your fingertips, what is the very first prompt you're going to type in to bring your imagination to life?